They'll check in. Good voice.
Sharon, Claudia, and Nicole, they would like to know, Ian, what is...
Where are you guys?
Why do you keep missing them, bro? They're right there. You're gonna make them stand up as well? Liz will.
Well, they wanted to know, Ian, what is the one thing you find most annoying about Paul and Paul?
After that comment.
Paul, what is the one thing you find most annoying about Ian?
Well, I mean, there's... How much time do we have? Maybe a little while. Actually, you know what, to be honest with you, everything that he does and everything I do, pretty much, we're done to. We spend every day together. Paul can step on my shoe and spit in my face. But that I haven't seen before. It really is. Like,
I'm not as annoyed by you as like other people on set sometimes. No, really.
I'm not as annoyed by you as other people on set.
No, because you know some people on set I can like have like they like chew gum loudly or something, or like I don't know, don't know their lines or something.
We all know each other's buttons, and we don't purposely push them because we have so much shit going on. We pretty much steer clear.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty cohesive machine.
Yeah, we protect each other, we help each other. We throw. Well, oh Jesus Christ. Like this, One must throw his brother. Should I put thanks. But not like lame ducking that answer. We literally, I mean, I find almost everything annoying about him and then nothing at all.
Yeah, it's pretty used to it at this point.
We're married.
We're doing it for the kids.
It's marriage without the good part.
Maybe not consistent.
Not like before, Paul.
Not like season 1.
So good in the beginning.